Good afternoon, folks. My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to properly install your side-activated cylinder as well as our brand new cone cylinder in your Leap V2 chair. Let's rock and roll. So what we want to do here first is lay the chair on its back gently. So we'll do that. There we go. All right, we need to remove the cylinder from the chair right here. So I'll grab my trusty pipe wrench. All right, I'll get into position over the cylinder. I'll get my pipe wrench ready. Get a nice solid connection on the cylinder. One hand on the pipe wrench, other hand on the chair, and we'll give it a twist. Try and remove it as best we can. May take a few turns, but should release. Here we have it. All right, we'll hammer that cylinder out the back with a hammer here. Give it a few whacks on the bottom. Pop right off. And first, we will install the lever activated cylinder. All right, so to install your side activated cylinder, we need to flip the chair over here like this, and it can only go in one direction. Okay, so here we have a top view of the OEM side-activated cylinder installed in your Leap V2 chair. As you can see, the metal tab must be installed correctly in only one direction, facing the metal tab and the seat height lever. If that metal tab is faced in any other direction that is not touching that metal bar, your chair will not work correctly. As you can see, as I lift up on the seat height lever, that metal tab will push into the cylinder and allow the chair to rise. As you can see, if that metal tab on the cylinder is not facing the seat height lever, there'd be no way for your chair to go up and down. So we want to make sure we line it up correctly. We're going to line up the metal tab of the cylinder with the seat height lever on the chair, like so. For more tips and information, hit the like and subscribe button. And next, we will install our brand new cone activated cylinder. All right, we'll grab our brand new cone cylinder here. Omnidirectional. All right, so here we have a top view of the cone cylinder installed in our Leap V2 chair. As you can see, the advantage of the cone cylinder is you can install it in any direction, so you don't need to worry about lining the tab up with the metal bar. It will line up in any direction, as you can see right there with our cone cylinder. As you can see, the tab right there will activate the cone cylinder from any direction, making it a very universal cylinder. We'll stick it right into the chair, whatever way we want. Grab our base. Back on the chair like so, and then we'll just tip it back over. Okay, so we'll give it a quick test after we've installed it. So we'll go ahead and sit in the chair, activate the seat height lever, and it goes down. I'll stand up. The seat stays down, perfect. Grab the seat height lever, comes up, rock and roll. All right, folks, so that's it. That's how you install your side activated cylinder as well as our brand new cone cylinder in your Leap V2 chair. If you have any questions, reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. As always, like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys. For more tips and tricks, hit the information button down below. Where did that come from? I know I did. I'm not going to stop it. I'm just going to keep going. I know I said it. If you need more information, hit the like and subscribe. That was going to be a good one. For more tips and information, like the...
That's all, folks.